So this is it's a donut thingy, I think is the technical term, and or maybe it's a torus. Let's oh yeah, I guess it's a torus if we want to be fancy. The issue with this torus here in Blender, not that there's anything super wrong with it, is that there isn't an easy way to address, in terms of, these little rings or these little subsections of the torus, so I want a way to basically semantically select, little sections of the torus. So I've already been talking to Mr. Claude, who has access to our little MCP tool that I've made. And you can see there's an event log. I don't really have anything for this quite yet. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this bad boy. And we're going to create a semantic torus. So basically we're going to use the fancy math names to basically create vertex groups, and it will automatically create them. So I'm going to say, yeah, go ahead and create the semantic torus. And we'll wait for it here. And this is, hopefully, is going to create a MCP command for me. So yeah, it's got commands and types. Alright. Toroidal and poloidal vertex groups. I hope I'm saying that right. Not that I really give shit either way, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'm sure all you Reddit mods will be out there correcting me with all your fancy math knowledge that Claude can basically just do. Okay, yep, we're gonna allow edits. Yeah, allow all edits during the session. Hopefully you can't hear the dog barking in the background. It's kind of being a butt. Wants to play games. Wants to play games with me. As soon as I go down to try to let her in, she runs off. So trying not to reinforce that behavior, Trying to not have that happen. It is kind of annoying though. Oh boy, that's not good. Tools.go, 452 lines. Let's go ahead and pare that down. Okay, before continuing on, go ahead and pare down the tools.go file to 100 lines or less. It's getting pretty big. That's what she said. Oh boy. This is gonna be a fun one. We've got lewd and lascivious jokes. We've got Claude code at 8:30 p.m. Okay. Yeah, I have an arbitrary rule, and I don't strictly enforce it, but once I see something like this, I'm thinking, yeah, it's probably too big. It's probably too big. Yeah. So oh boy. Keep on refactoring it. Keep on keeping on. God, I love Claude Code with this combination with this whisper flow. I don't even have to type anymore. This is great. Okay. Remove several of the handlers. Yeah, why don't you just not destroy shit? How about that? How about you just make it all nice and kosher? 'Cause, 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 'cause Come on. Come on, Mr. Claude. Oh, while that's going on, I thought I'd go on a tangent about this other tool I made. Basically, it's a key mapper that maps, actually takes in controller input from a PS5 controller and lets me map it to arbitrary keys, and also per app profile, so I can have one mapping for Blender when Blender's open, one mapping for Safari. Maybe I'll do a video on that later, but for now, let's just let me kill the time here. I don't know, might have been 2 or 3 hours of work today, and by work I mean vibe coding, and I mean it is work. You get better at it, you know, it's a skill like anything else. So I actually did, you know, the manual typey type, clicky click programming work before AI got super big, you know, around 2022 or so. And then, you know, it's 2025 now, so all the tools are starting to really get pretty good. I've been finding my stride here with Anthropic. I think part of it is I just don't want to have to keep jumping tools, and Anthropic's consistently been in the top 2, so until we hit AGI, I can't be bothered to change. Plus Claude Code is, I mean, it's just really good for, you know, $100 a month. You couldn't get the same amount of value you can get, you know, by paying someone on Upwork. You know, it's just not even comparable. You spend $100 of programmer time and get worse work, you know, for 4 hours versus 1 month. It's really not even comparable. So, I may have to restart Blender. Yeah, I'm gonna restart Blender and get rid of this crap. And because I have this MCP connection, it takes a little bit more time. Blender, open that bad boy. We're gonna annihilate this default cube. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, let's hit the N key, go to our little MCP, connect our server. Hopefully the Go daemon is running in the background. It looks like it might be, so. Okay, try again. I just restarted Blender. Ain't that just nifty? I be coding with my mouse hole. I be coding with my talkie talk box. Okay. Come on, Claude. You can do it. I know you're just the state-of-the-art AI, but I've already become impatient. With you. Why can't you be faster? Just be faster and cheaper. Come on. It's like that Louis C.K. skit about the guy in the airplane. God, what? Come on now. Oh, why? Oh, maybe the Go thing isn't working. Why don't you try and rebuild the whole project? Make sure that the Go daemon is running, the whole pipeline, the whole shebang. Anyway, like I was saying about Louis C.K., you know, he was talking about the guy who was complaining about the Wi-Fi on the plane as soon as it came out, you know. Let me restart it, rebuild. Oh, it says it's, oh, there we go. There's our little event log, so it should be good to go. Okay, all right. Yep, go ahead and do it. I don't think I really needed to do that, but what the fuck? Sorry, I'm trying not to curse here, but okay. Try and create the semantic torus. Now that's different than a Semitic torus. I'm not gonna go down that road. Not yet. Come on. Oh, what the hell? What? Come on. What? Why did it do that? Why do you do the things I do not wish you to do? Oh, sometimes Claude Code does this. Come on now. Now it's being poopy. Now it's being poopy. Here. Try it again. Try again. I'm going to type that just because I can. I think it disconnected for some reason. What the hell? Okay. Well, oh, I know what I need to do. I need to open a new Claude Code session because the MCP tools you can't update them real time because it's dumb. Okay, now I remember. Now these tools are smarter than I am, but sometimes I remember how to use them. Okay, Claude. And then I have my custom ramp up command. Oh, got a gift. Rates are 2x higher through the 31st. I am happy. Thank you, Anthropic. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Come on, bud. Let's go ahead and commit the changes. Go ahead and commit the changes. You can see this is my architecture. It's basically just a pub sub event store. Nothing super fancy, just easy to debug. Okay. Let's go back to Blender. Let's go back to Blender and annihilate that cube and hit the N key, go to MCP, hit connect. Come on. Let's see what terminal has to say. Oh boy. Okay, so it does look like we're connected. I didn't get an ACK or anything back, but that's all right. Yeah, we don't want this. We don't want binaries. We don't want binaries in here. Okay, so looks like it does. We can see this new tool. I guess we'll, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, boy. I guess I could push it out. I could push it too, yeah. Let's push it, baby. Go ahead and push it. Push it real good. Okay, so that's gonna push it to the GitHub repo. Okay, so if you do MCP, Blender MCP, view the tools. Yep, looks like it's registered there. Semantic Torus. So let's go ahead and give her a spin. Let's go ahead and give that Semantic Torus creation spin there. Okay. Go ahead and call that MCP tool the Semantic Torus. Let's see if it do it. Do it. Does it do it? Yes. Go ahead and do it, boy. Oh my god, look at that. Let's see if it's got the groups. Do it has the groups. let's see here. Wait, here. I don't see it creating or selecting these groups at all. So maybe I'm just retarded. That is a big possibility, but I don't see it selecting any of these groups. Okay. What about the vertex groups? I'm in edit mode right now, and I'm selecting them. Wait a second. Wait a hot second. New collection. Now, let's see, what is this? In the scene collection. Okay. Let's see if it can. Let's see if I can get this toroidal 0. Oh yeah. It do select it, but it moved it up. Boy, yeah. Okay. Yes, that in fact did do that. Move it back down. And then move it up by 0.01 units. Make it a little bit more subtle than that. That's just too much for me, boy. Yeah, that's a little more my speed. How about 0.05 units up instead? Oh, move it up just a little bit more there, bud. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah, boy. We can see it in the event log, too. That's just freaking sexy. Alright, okay, how about we start animating, by these selections? So we'll move it up by that 0.05, and then we'll move the next one up in kind of a wave pattern, you know, and make sure to add some keyframes. Yeah. So, come on. I really hope I can't hear the dog in the background, because then I'm going to have to completely scrap this entire video. Oh, okay. Should be adding in the keyframes here. Oh, yeah. Let me set up a wave animation using Python. Yeah, we got that arbitrary Python injection right there. That's probably one of my favorite MCP tools right here. I can just shove in a bunch of Python code. Okay. Let's just have one wave for now. Let's just have one wave for now. Okay. No. That is not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted, boy. No, that is not what I wanted. I wanted you to move the toroidal segment up. One at a time. Right now it just looks like it's wobbling. The entire object is wobbling. Let's see if we can figure out what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I wanted. a single ray segment that travels around. Good boy, you got it. You got it, boy. Hopefully, okay. See if it figured it out. Oh, that is what I'm talking about, Mavis. That is what I'm talking about. So, yeah. That is pretty freaking cool. So, if you don't enjoy that, I don't know. I can't please you, because that's all done with my voice. That's Cloud Code. That's just pretty neat there. So anyway, I got my semantic cube. We got the addressable portions going on here. These little rings or whatever the mathematical name is for it. But anyway, that's gonna be it for tonight because it's already 8:47 p.m. and I'm pretty much done. So we will see you guys later. Bye.